So guys, have you forgotten your Gmail account password? Then in this video I'll be teaching you how to get it. It's really easy. When you try to log in your Gmail account with your password, it doesn't work. Or maybe you've forgotten it. Then this is what you have to do. Go to your phone menu. I'm going to teach you how to see your Gmail account's password. Scroll down and try to search in for your phone settings. When you find it, tap on it to open it. So when you get over here, scroll down below. You are going to see Google down below. Tap on it to open it. When you tap on it to open it, it's going to load. And after loading, you are going to see password manager over here. But before you tap over here, please make sure you have your Gmail account over here. You have to select the correct Gmail account over here. Now tap on password manager. Scroll down and try to search in for google.com. If you find it, tap on it to open it. But when you tap on it, they are going to ask you to confirm your screen lock. So after using your fingerprint to confirm it, you are going to be over here, and this is the right place to see it. And as you can see, this is my Gmail account, password. And this is another Gmail account password. So that is all my Gmail account password. So this is how to find or how to see your Gmail account password on your own phone. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this video has been helpful to you.